In ancient times, people observed nature and found that it works according to certain rules. For example, the sun always rises from the east and sets in the west when the sun rises. Its shadow is the longest and the shortest at noon. Then the shadow becomes longer in the evening again. This happens every day, and if we can measure it, we can estimate the time and we can create a way to measure time. These attempts to understand nature led humans to create sun clocks. Similarly, by looking at the night sky, people came to know that stars are visible at night. Some planets, the sun and constellations are also visible. Thousands of years ago, people in India constantly observed the sky and understood that the Earth and other planets revolve around the sun. If you look at the sky without a telescope, you can see Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus. With this information, Maharaja Jai Singh built Jantar Mantar at 5 places in India about 300 years ago. Jantar Mantar is made up of 2 words, Jantar and mantra. Jantar is called yantra in Hindi, which means machine or device, and mantra means formula or calculation. In pure Hindi, it means sutra. From this name itself, we can understand that by understanding the mantra of nature, humans have built such buildings, which give information like time, position of planets, rotation of the earth, and position of the sun. Now we try to understand how the instruments of Jantar Mantar work. First we will talk about Samrat Jantar, sun clock. Here the time is written on a blue strip. And as the sun rises from the east, you can see the time on that strip. This instrument was made by understanding the mantra of nature, so that people can find out the time themselves. After the noon, the time is seen on the other side. As the sun moves towards the west, the earth rotates 360 degrees in 24 hours. If we want to know how many degrees the earth has rotated, then there is an instrument which tells how many degrees the earth has rotated. The name of this instrument is Ram Jantar. This instrument has information written on inner sides of the walls. It is divided into 2 parts, so that people can go inside and see. This instrument works in 2 parts. If the shadow is not visible in one part, then you can go to the other part and see. Drawing a straight line from the shadow tells how many degrees the earth has rotated. This instrument is in Delhi and Jaipur. To understand the seasons of the earth and the length of the day, the earth is divided into 2 parts, north and south. When the rays of the sun fall on the northern part, it is hot in India and the days are long. When the rays of the sun fall on the southern part, it is cold in India and the days are short. At the time of making Jantar Mantar, an instrument was made, which showed on which part of the earth the rays of the sun are falling. Its name is Nadivale Yantra. This instrument runs on sunlight. It shows the time of 6 months on one side, and the time of the other 6 months on the other side. Apart from this, there is another instrument Jai Prakash Yantra, which is made in the name of Maharaja Jai Singh. It runs on sunlight. It also works in 2 parts. When the shadow of the star located in the center falls on the marble below, then the time can be read. Dimser is a special instrument, which tells us the direction of the star, moon or sun in the sky. It has 2 round walls and a pillar. The rope is attached to the walls, and a star or indicator is placed in the middle. Another rope is attached to the pillar and a weight is hung on it. There are marks on the wall to show the direction. This instrument works both during day and night. If we want to know the direction of a star, moon or sun, then we can rotate the rope by bringing it in a straight line. This tells us the direction. Here you saw the instruments of Jantar Mantar and their working methods. If you have any questions or the information given in the video does not seem correct, please share in the comments or contact us directly.